Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set a virtual background on Zoom app. All you have to do now, you can open your Zoom Workplace. If you don't have this online meeting app, you can download it for free via official website. So if you already had installed on your system, please keep up to date on Zoom Workplace. So let's start by tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and click settings. Here you can see there is a Zoom apps. So here you can try to enable these virtual backgrounds. Open selected Zoom apps for me. So on a meeting start, the virtual backgrounds will automatically start it. So you automatically use your virtual background when the meeting starts. And also on the meeting end, keep meeting apps open for me. Just check this button. And also you can manage this app. If you click this manage this app, you can see there's you will directly go to marketplace.zoom. So let's talk about it later. And here you can clear all local app data cookies from this device, like clear up some junk file. So but the point is, just check this button in order to always open virtual background on a meeting start. And also if you see there is a background and evac and click on virtual background, you can set your virtual background in here. If you have green screen, so you can turn this on and enable the virtual backgrounds, because your device requires a green screen to support virtual background here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.